Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Laxon Montali. In this video, we're going to learn how to install FastAPI and UVCon, write our first endpoint, and run our FastAPI project using UVCon. Before we start writing code, I have some points that might interest you. So what is FastAPI? FastAPI is a modern web framework for building APIs with Python version 3.6 or higher. Why use FastAPI? I think the most common answer is it's fast in terms of performance and coding. If you want to learn more on why FastAPI was created, you can check the documentation. Without wasting much of your time, let's write our first endpoint. But before we do that, let's first install FastAPI and UVCon using pip. Okay, I've already downloaded it. Okay. For those who don't know what UVCon is an ASGI web server implementation for Python. We are going to use it to run our FastAPI project. If you want to learn more about UVCon, I strongly encourage you to check the documentation. Now that we are done installing the packages, let's write our first program and run our first endpoint. So the first things first, we have to create a file, main.py. Let's import FastAPI. So we're going to import FastAPI from FastAPI. Yeah. Okay. So first endpoint, we're going to put it on the root path. And we're gonna name this function root. Then we're going to return a dictionary. I don't know, it's a dictionary, I think so. So yeah, we're going to return a dictionary. So message. We can say hello world. Hello world. So let's save this. So this is how you declare your first endpoint. So the first things first, we imported the FastAPI. We declare an instance. Then we declare our first endpoint. So for us to test this, we're going to run the program using UVCon. So we just go back to the terminal. We type UVCon main, which is the file name, app, which is the instance that we've just declared in the main, this one, and reload, so that whenever we make changes to our app, it will automatically reload. So now our program is running. So first thing first, I have to point out that the UVCon is a saver. This is a UVCon. The first thing that I've typed is UVCon. It's a saver we are using. The main is the file where we have written our project, and app is an instance of the FastAPI class that we have declared. Okay, the program is running smoothly. Let's check whether it's working or whether we can see this message on this path. So let's go to our browser, and so before I just run any link, I just want to point out something that UVCon is running on our localhost. I don't know if I can say domain localhost there on port 8000. So if we go back to our browser, then we type localhost 8000. It's saying not found. So let's go back. We see where we have made any mistake. Okay, let's go back to our program. Okay, I've just saved it. Okay, so this one's supposed to be a decorator. Sorry about that. Okay, supposed to be a decorator. Let's just run our program, go back to our browser. Voila, it's working. Congratulations, you have created your first FastAPI project. So this is my first video on FastAPI. And for those who might be interested to learn FastAPI, you're free to join me on this channel. Every week, I'll be dropping new videos on FastAPI based on the documentation. So I'll be following the documentation. And at the end of the series, I'll create an e-commerce web app using FastAPI. So if you want to join me, so please subscribe. Have a lovely day. Goodbye. And don't forget to practice.